Welcome back to Southern RV TV. I'm your host, Barry, and we are here in a very special place. We're up in Indiana. We're not on the Southern RV campus. We're actually on the KZ campus with our factory rep, Chad.
Hello.
Chad is going to help us out by showing us some crazy new things that are going on with Sonic and Venture RV, as well as Stratus and Sporttrek. They've got some new floor plans. They've got some fun stuff that's going on that they've changed up for the coming season. Let's get right into it with this 169.
So your 169 BUD here, great little selling floor plan. What we've changed up on this thing, interior-wise, the bunks have changed on what side of the unit they were, so we could add the outside kitchen with a griddle.
I love this. This is a great new addition, and it's such a simple change that it's
Very
super
simple.
effective. All they really did, like you were saying, is flip the bunks. They moved them from one side of the camper to the other, but it gives us all of the space for this amazing outside kitchen. And this griddle is going to be fantastic.
Yes.
I can imagine this with that nice dark patina on it after it's been seasoned
yeah.
up. It's going to be beautiful.
Used up. It's going to be
That's
nice.
right.
It's going to be used a lot just for this little bunkhouse model right here. And then at the same time, if you look over here to your tires, so we've had it, but I haven't sent it to a lot of my dealers, but we have an off-road package here on your Sonic lights that flips the axles. You get some off-road tires, and it's available on every Sonic light floor plan currently. It's something new that Southern RV actually hasn't had on the lot yet, so it'll be new to you guys as well.
We're excited about it because we do have a lot of clientele in the South that like to go up forest service roads. This is going to give us just a little more clearance front to back, give us a little better departure angle getting up those roads. So this is an awesome addition to our lineup, and we super look forward to having it. Let's wander on down the line though, because we've got a couple of other things that we want to check out.
We are walking into the new 241 VFK Sonic, brand new floor plan. Only built a couple batches of them so far. Nice big open countertop up front here. Natural light coming in this thing. You're just over, I think, 4,400 pounds. Got a nice north-south bed. Wide open in this thing right here.
It is quite nice. Now this is one of the double axle Sonics. So again, all of the double axle Sonics, even the largest ones, which this is, I'm guessing this is going to be one of the big ones now.
This is our biggest one as of right now.
Yep, but still under 5,000 pounds dry. So that's amazing. And again, we got to remember this thing's wrapped fiberglass all the way around. That's the roof and everything. This is an awesome little unit for its size. And this front kitchen is super, super spacious. So what I'm seeing here is the potential to sleep at least 4, if not more, people right now, just depending on how small those people are.
Correct.
Really, if you got kids or not.
Yeah, with your jackknife sofa and your dinette being in the slide there, there's plenty of room for 2 people to sleep there.
Yep.
And then of course you got your north-south bed with plenty of storage back behind it in the bedroom. Perfect place for CPAP machines. Cell phone, you got a USB charger, plenty of storage behind it, and then of course your regular storage and your cabinets there.
And that pass-through bathroom, that's nice and spacious, the way that it's set up. I really like that. I think this is a really well executed unit in terms of layout and design. It feels really open, and I think this is a great addition to the lineup for the coming season. Now, I hear we've got some changes to some of the Sporttreks as well.
Correct.
Awesome. Let's check that out because there's one right next to us right now.
Yes. Right next to us will be the Sporttrek Touring. Let's do that one first.
Very cool. Let's hop over there. So, I know I said we were going to check out one of the touring editions, but I couldn't resist popping up into this standard Sporttrek here because this looks new.
Brand new floor plan. 251 VFK.
Very cool. Now we have optioned in this huge U-shaped dinette before, but I haven't seen it in a model this short, and man, it really opens up the room. I can see a big family chilling on this thing and watching TV on a rainy day. It's super cool.
Yeah, it really opens it up. You also have 2 storage drawers under both ends, and in the middle, just so you know, it flips out, and there's a Coleman air mattress that blows up in 30 seconds. Queen size bed, so plenty of sleeping in this one.
Yep. Giant front kitchen, loads of counter space. You guys have even incorporated a little wine shelf up there.
Any nook and cranny we can find for storage, we're going to try to utilize it the best that we can.
Yes, this is a super sweet looking little floor plan. I'm loving all the attention to detail. And, you know, as I was walking around, I was noticing that you guys have done some things, like back here in the bedroom, you know, you've changed it up a little bit in the sense that we have some different types of shelving back here, and a lot of that's just allocated because of this rear bedroom.
Correct. Anytime we have a rear bedroom now in Sporttrek, we've decided to make the bedroom this style with the extra cabinet shelf above for storage. You've got another little shelf on each side of your cubby there. It really changes up the whole look of the master bedroom here.
And everything across the lines right now are coming with these closable vents that are rotatable as well.
Rotatable and closable. So airflow wise, if you're not in the bedroom and you got, you know, more people in the living room and you want to get cooled down quicker, you just flip this down. Yep. There's an arrow on one side of it, and you just click that arrow, boom, it's shut off. Your airflows, everything's getting forced up into the living room area.
That's awesome. That is a great little addition. It's those little details like that that make it. The pass-through bathroom on this is actually pretty cool too. It's very well laid out. There's plenty of space in front of that toilet there to stretch your legs out, especially for a tall guy like me. I think this is a pretty cool little design, and I'm excited to have it on the lot at Southern RV. I can't wait to get the first model. Now, let's actually go check out that touring edition because
sounds good.
It's got some cool new changes as well. Let's pop on out.
So we're walking into the brand new 272 VRK Sporttrek Touring. It is the smallest touring floor plan that we make. Just under 7,200 pounds as it sits here with two ACs fully loaded. Very excited about this new floor plan. Lots of storage space, huge drawers for a little 272. Four of them. You got the pantry over there,
big
of course.
Old pantry.
Big pantry.
Yeah, I love it. This is a very excellent use of space for being the smallest Sporttrek Touring edition in the lineup. I love it. I think there's a lot going on here that we've seen in some of the other touring editions, such as the high-end seating with the USB ports and the nicer amenities in terms of kitchenware. I like the white cabinetry and the wood grain backdrops, really splitting the room up and making it feel like you're in separate portions of the trailer. So you do get that definitive living room and kitchen experience. The bathroom in this guy has a nice big shower. It's not one of those corner round showers though. It's more squared off. So that's actually going to give you a little more elbow space.
Correct.
And in such a small model, that's going to be huge. But what's really the crowning achievement here for me personally is this bedroom that's up front, because they've got an east-west bed. East-west bed with a fireplace at the base, seating right in that front cap with that glorious front windshield, automotive grade windshield up there. And something I noticed this year is you guys have changed up your USB ports.
Correct. Now they have little night lights on them.
That's right. That makes it super easy to find. They're lit up. I've got one right over here. They've got a little cap on it that flips out of the way. It's going to make it so that you can plug up your phones and your other little USB devices with ease. I'm loving all of the little changes that are happening. I know it's not huge, but every little bit counts, and every little bit of it is super mindful in what they've done and how they've executed it here. Now, you've got one more thing to show us?
Yeah, so I'd like to show you the new docking station that we're putting on all your Sporttreks, your Tourings, and also your Stratuses. City water fill, all of it's in one spot now. You don't have to have a hose here and a hose here or anything like that. It's got your outside water, hot and cold with it also. Let's
go out there and check that out because I'm excited about that. We have a lot of customers that ask us about locking up their water station, so this should be pretty cool.
One of the new additions or changes that we've made on Sporttrek, Touring, and Stratus that I wanted to point out is your new universal docking station, which comes with a lock on it. Your new universal docking station, your water outside, hot and cold spigots right here. Your cable satellite right here. You have your city water fill as it shows with the flip up. Your tank fill when it's down. You got your tank flush right there, all in one spot instead of being here and being up front. It's all right there, universal spot now.
All together, all in one place with a simple switch for changing between tank and city and lockable. So that's a nice little addition, and it's happening across the brands. It's not just here on the Sporttrek.
Correct.
So that's something to look forward to. Be sure to see it on the lot at Southern RV. We're definitely going to have these coming, y'all. I think that's it for now. I appreciate your time.
One
Was
more?
there one more? One more.
Can we
Oh,
pop
there's
over
a
and
Stratus,
Brand new
isn't there?
Stratus floor plan. Let's show you
Stratus,
the
let's do it.
Stratus while we're here.
All right, so brand new floor plan from Stratus, 281 VFD, sitting right at about 6,500 pounds unloaded.
Yep.
Very cool. This has the VFD front dining, front den, whatever you want to refer to it as. This is a big U-shaped dinette. And one thing that I want to point out that I think is kind of cool, and I don't know if it was intentional or if it's just because of how the pass-through storage worked out, but you got this big shelf across the back of the dining area there. I think that's going to be a great place to set up all kinds of quickly accessible items when you're having dinner. Maybe you have your salt and pepper shaker back there. You have a few other quick access things.
Correct. And if Mama's not moving, she's got that thing decorated.
I'll bet.
It's like she's at home.
That's right. That's right. You've got your big jars out on it, all the fun little decorations, or maybe even Disney characters. I've seen it all. When you step through the door, it does have a nice big closet.
Walk-in closet.
Yeah. Lots of storage.
Coat hangers, 3 pantry shelves.
Entertainment center on the wall directly across from the theater seating. That's something I always love to see, so you don't have to cut your head at an angle to look at the TV. The TV is on a mount though, so it can swing out and face that dining area if it had to. Got that fireplace down low that's going to help offset propane cost in the winter. And then moving towards the back of the camper, we got kind of a traditional bedroom and bathroom setup. There's not a lot there that's changed over other floor plans.
And we've actually kind of adopted the same back north-south bedroom that we were in that Sporttrek earlier with the shelving and cabinet space back here.
Sure. Now, this is 50 amp service. We've got 2 ACs on it. Is this prepped for a washer dryer?
No, this is not prepped. It's just extra paint or extra storage, dressing clothes areas for them.
Okay. Excellent. I mean, you know, any extra storage is always acceptable, especially when you're traveling with a group or you're just doing multi-season traveling, because you've got all kinds of stuff that you're going to store with you. I dig it. I'm looking forward to having this thing on the lot. Is there anything else we need to know about what's going on in 2022?
No, we just can't build them quick enough right now. We need everybody to be a little patient with us when it comes to retails, and just keep rocking and rolling and get some new models on your guys' lots and get some new colors, get some red colors out there and some gray and blue, and go from there.
Well, we really appreciate your time today. I'm enjoying seeing all these new models on the lot here up at the factory. I think we've got some more stuff to check out later on today, so be on the lookout for other videos from us. And thanks again, guys. Till next time, happy camping.